We are looking at planetary limits around all sorts of things, but certainly we know that climate change and carbon emissions is at a critical threshold, and we have to both mitigate and adapt. Project Lightyear is a first of its kind within a category that's really innovative, and that is net zero warehouses. A net zero building is a building that over the course of a year will produce as much energy on site as they use.
There is no on-site fossil fuel generation, no diesel generator backup, no natural gas generator backup, which is largely unheard of in the GMP world. This is a project that is groundbreaking in many ways.
As we move from now, say around 15,000 patients towards our 25,000 patients target in a couple of years, we need a place to store more medicine. We cannot afford to stock out because we won't do that to our patients.
There was a lot of effort that went into the design of really what generally people think of as a simple building, but it's really not.
Our medicines all have very specific requirements in terms of optimal temperature, what deviations are allowed, for how long.
Per FDA guidance, a cold room storage area must be maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius at all times.
Trying to develop a cold room in a net zero situation is a whole different animal though. The cold room itself at 7,500 square feet uses as much, if not more, energy than the entire rest of the building combined.
This is an example of an extraordinary effort by a group of people to find a solution to what would have seemed impossible. It's also beautiful.
I hope that Project Lightyear will set new trends for other companies.
Welcome everyone to the inauguration of the largest zero carbon footprint pharmaceutical logistics, distribution, and warehouse facility in the entire world. Woo!
As we venture down this path to cure rare deadly diseases, or at least to treat them medically, it's not our objective to destroy the world in the process.